Hello, so for beginning let me show you how to check engine oil. So your engine must be warm. If it's not, just let it idle for a couple of minutes and then just wait a couple of minutes with engine off. So to check, there is a dipstick here. You need to unscrew it. So I don't know, will you be able to see, but there is two marks. One is here and one is here. So it's a minimum and a maximum level. But important thing, when you're checking level, you don't need to screw inside. You just need to leave it like this, and that's it now. So it's somewhere in the middle. But don't screw it fully. Just put like this and then check. So now we can start oil change. So this motorcycle needs 2.6 liters oil if you are changing filter. If you are not changing filter, then it's 2.4 liters. But in my case, I'm gonna change with the filter. So yeah, so you need to put motorcycle on a side stand, and then this is gonna be a place to fill up oil. I'm gonna open and just leave it like here. And drain bolt is on the other side. It is this bolt, and it's number 17. And filter is here. It's pretty easy to access actually, so it's in a good place. Okay, so let's start to drain oil. Okay, so now almost all oil is gone, but there is still a little bit of oil inside, so we can do one thing. First, we need to put back this cap in the place, which I already did, and then turn on engine for just 1 second, and that's it. Let's make sure it's in a neutral. It is in neutral, but just for 1 second, and that's it. Maybe more. Done. And now let's see. And you see, so there is still some oil left. Okay, so there is no oil inside, just a couple drips, but it's okay. So we can put back the screw. Just double check if this ring is okay in your motorcycle. In my case, it's like new, so I can put it back. Fuck. And let's start again. Let's do it one more time. Okay, this time let's do it a bit differently. Okay. It is surprisingly hard to put this screw back on. Why the... Oh yeah, finally, yes, done. Okay. And now we can tighten this bolt. Just don't over tighten. Should be okay. All right, and now we can change filter. Okay. I already loosened up this filter, so it will look much easier than it was. Okay. Hey, nice. This time I didn't drop anything into oil. That is great. Clean here. And this is a new filter. And you should put oil on this ring and inside here, but in my case it already has some grease. I'll just put it slightly here and I can put it back. Okay, done. And now we can start to fill up oils. So let's do it. I will be using this oil. It's Motuli 7100. And in the comments, I will leave a link to manual, and you can check in the manual what kind of oil Honda recommends for this. But like a most standard is 10W40, so which I will be using this one. Yeah, so let's put oil. Whoa, just do it slowly. Not like me. So now I fill it about 2.5 liters. It should be okay. Now you can put cap back, turn engine, let it idle for a minute or two, then turn it off, wait a couple minutes and check level. And if it's not enough, then add a little bit more. And that's it. So that's how you change oil. And for me, the most scary part starts just now, because I'm gonna need to put the old oil into the bottles without spilling it. That's gonna be a challenge. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when you're gonna be checking oil level, put it on a center stand just to be level.